Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on servicing the Conga 990 roller motor. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your motor operates efficiently. Let's begin with the tools you will need. You will require a set of spanners, including 10mm and 13mm sizes, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Additionally, have some cleaning cloths and a can of compressed air handy for internal cleaning. First, ensure the motor is disconnected from any power source. Safety is paramount. Once disconnected, remove the outer casing by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the motor. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the casing removed, you can now access the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the wiring for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any frayed wires, it's advisable to replace them to prevent future issues. Next, we will focus on cleaning the internal parts. Using the compressed air, blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the motor. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. After cleaning, use a cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring no residue is left behind. Now let's check the bearings. These are essential for the smooth operation of the motor. If they appear worn, consider replacing them. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Once the bearings are checked, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the outer casing back on, ensuring all components are aligned correctly. Secure the casing with the screws you removed earlier. It's important to tighten them evenly to avoid any misalignment. Before reconnecting the power, double-check all connections and ensure everything is in place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your motor serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. After ensuring everything is secure, reconnect the motor to the power source. Test the motor to ensure it runs smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, servicing the Conga 990 roller motor involves a few key steps: gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, checking the bearings, and reassembling the motor. By following these steps, you can maintain the efficiency and longevity of your equipment. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your servicing journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.